Want to learn how to connect your Tellonym account with your Instagram account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on this edit profile option below your profile's details. Scroll down. On the bottom, you can see an option of social media with 3 of the app's icon, that is Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. Since we are trying to connect our Tellonym account with our Instagram account, tap on this username section on this Instagram icon on the middle. Here, insert your Instagram username just like this, and then tap on the stick option on the top right corner. So just by doing it, you have successfully added Instagram to your Tellonym account. You can see that there is an Instagram icon next to edit profile. Tap on it and you can open your Instagram ID through Tellonym account by choosing the Instagram app itself or the suitable web browser. I'm gonna choose Instagram app just like this, and you can see that's my Instagram ID and I have just successfully connected it. And if I want to share any of the Tellonym tells or my Tellonym profiles on Instagram, I can simply do it since I have already connected both of the accounts. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.